So when we're not out on the road traveling, we're here at our lake house. We live on Lake Wedowee. It is one of the Alabama Power Lakes. So every year in October they lower the water so the homeowners can do maintenance on their docks, clean up debris, that kind of thing. So that's what we're doing today. Oh goodness, look at all this. This is right in the corner of our property. Washes up every year. We drag it down, burn it. It comes back the next year. One of the joys of having a lake house.
Cleaning up the cove.
I guess I could have brought the tripod so I had hands free to help you.
That would be nice. I think you did it on purpose. Right?
Not on purpose.
I know your tricks. After 30 years, I know your tricks.
What?
Can I throw you up there on top and push that down?
Nope. I don't weigh enough. Looks like he's hanging his laundry out to dry on the tree limb. Somebody couldn't wait 5 minutes for me to get down the hill. He had to set everything on fire. So here's what we're working with. We need to move all that debris over here to burn. Alright, the plan for today, guys, is to pressure wash the dock, and then we're going to water seal the dock, and then after that we've got a ton of wrought iron furniture that needs a paint job. So, like I said, the joys of lake life. Come go with us. it again.
Okay, I'm gonna shake the Thompson water seal.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
It needs a lot of shaking. I think this has been in the store a few years.
Hey, but I got a good deal on it. It was a special order for somebody else. They didn't pick it up. Leanne snagged it for $5 off a can.
Remember to release the pressure. Hold your hand over it.
Hold on.
No, you got to pull up, but hold your palm over it as you do. And then it still may spray out the spout if you undo it.
Lock.
Huh?
Unlock. Which way? Which way you turn it to open?
Counterclockwise. There you go. There you go, you got it. My fingers are sticking together.
You can't see nothing if you sit over there. Oh. Just so you know, you're not on camera. That's the whole point of videos, is to be on camera.
Let me pose as I pour.
Looks like chocolate milk.
It does. Okay, get me a drink. You want a drink?
No thanks.
Hey, would you hand me that cap? I've learned that if you put that to the top, it don't regurgitate and splash on you as much. Put the spout to the top.
Okay.
Like a can of oil.
Okay.
Some good quality chocolate milk too. Looks good. We got one more down here after this.
Yes, dear.
Alrighty.
I don't think y'all really want to see us roll this entire deck and spray it, so we'll be back in a little bit. So from this angle you can see with the Thompson's water seal and without. So we chose desert tan, so it's just kind of taking that yellowy hue out of the wood and making it a nice brown, golden brown, like a tan.
Yeah, it looks like a good tan.
Yeah. Jay says it looks like that's probably the same stuff that they put in the self-tanners. I don't know. I doubt it. That wouldn't be too healthy.
Here you go. You're up.
I'm up. All right, last little bit. How does it look?
I did a good job, didn't I?
You did an excellent job, baby. All right. So we'll get cleaned up from all this, and then we'll start painting furniture.